In this question, you have to identify the type of natural selection where more individuals acquire specific character value other than the mean character value. Option A, directional change. Now, in directional selection, individuals with a specific trait value, either higher or lower than the mean, are favored, causing a shift in the population towards that extreme. And over time, the population's average trait value changes in one direction. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, disruptive change. It is incorrect. Disruptive selection favors individuals at both extremes, leading to two or more distinct phenotypes rather than a shift in one direction. Option C, random change. It is incorrect. This refers to genetic drift, which is not driven by natural selection. Option D, stabilizing change. It is also incorrect. Stabilizing selection favors the mean character value and reduces variation by selecting against extreme trait values.